Today, we are diving deep into a world where centuries-old craftsmanship is getting a massive high-tech upgrade. We're talking about seamed metal roofing. And we're going to break down this really revolutionary training model called the hybrid seam, which claims it can churn out elite-level masters in just a fraction of the usual time. So how on earth do they do it? Let's find out.
And it really all starts with this core philosophy, perfectly summed up by the system's creator, Alex Fowles. This quote right here gets to the heart of the challenge. How do you embrace the future and hand over all the boring, repetitive stuff to AI without losing the hands-on human art of the craft itself? That's the tightrope they're walking.
All right, so here's the game plan for today. First, we're going to look at why this whole trade is in a bit of a crisis. Then we'll unpack the hybrid seam teaching method, including its absolutely brilliant paper-first approach. We'll also tackle the big challenge of quality control from a distance, see how an AI copilot is supposed to solve that, and then zoom out to see what this could mean for the future of skilled training everywhere.
Okay, first things first. To really get why a new model like this is so desperately needed, we've got to understand the massive, looming problem that the entire seamed roofing industry is facing right now.
Now, this tells a huge story with just one number. 28% of all master roofers are over 55. And look, that's not just a statistic, it's a demographic time bomb. We are literally on the verge of losing an entire generation of experts. And when they go, all that knowledge that keeps our buildings standing and our heads dry, it could go with them.
And here's the kicker. The old way of training people just can't keep up. The traditional German apprenticeship, which is, the gold standard for this kind of work, takes 3 full years. The hybrid seam system, it claims it could get someone to a premium professional level in just 4 to 6 months. That's not just an improvement, that's a mind-bending acceleration.
So let's get into the how. How does this hybrid seam system created by Alex Fowles even begin to tackle this crisis? Well, it's all built around deconstructing that age-old method of just watching and doing.
So, here's the first thing you absolutely have to understand. Hybrid seam, or gibridny falz in the original Russian, it's not a new way to bend metal. It is a complete educational philosophy. The whole idea is to blend online, learn-at-your-own-pace theory with super intense, hands-on workshop time to just slingshot students to a pro level.
And this is what that journey looks like. It's a funnel. It all starts with false start, which basically means seam start. That's the online part, where you learn the lingo, the Latin of the roofer. From there you go to Falls Master, a 15-day, no-joke, hands-on intensive in a real workshop. And finally, for the best of the best, there's Falls Master Plus, where they get into the really complex, expert-level stuff. It's a very clear path from knowing to doing.
Okay, now we get to what I think is the most genius part of this entire system. It's how they solve the single biggest problem for any beginner in any skilled trade, that paralyzing fear of messing up and wasting expensive materials.
The secret sauce? It's paper. Get this, an incredible 90% of the training is done with just plain old A4 paper and a pair of scissors. That's it, no metal. They use a simple color coding system, red for an inward bend, blue for an outward one, and students build these intricate 3D paper models. This lets them master incredibly complex geometry and really build that spatial reasoning, all without the stress of ruining a $100 piece of zinc. It's all about training the brain first, then the hands.
And this number right here, this is the magic ingredient. 7. A student has to create a perfect paper model 7 times in a row without a single mistake. The point isn't just about muscle memory, it's about burning the geometric pattern into their brain until it's second nature. Only after they've achieved that mental automaticity are they even allowed to touch a real piece of metal.
Okay, but let's be real. No system is flawless. The whole online, remote part of this model creates a huge challenge, one that any educator will immediately recognize. How in the world do you guarantee quality when you can't physically be there to inspect the work?
I mean, this is the critical question, isn't it? Students send in photos of their practice pieces, but can a flat, 2D image really show you a microscopic error? Think about something called seam weakening. It's a tiny, incorrect cut inside a joint that could compromise an entire roof years down the line. Can a mentor, no matter how skilled, honestly spot a half a millimeter mistake in a photograph? It sounds basically impossible.
And the proposed answer to this massive quality control problem? Well, this is where the whole system goes from just innovative to something straight out of science fiction.
The answer isn't to hire more human inspectors, it's to build an intelligent digital assistant, a co-pilot designed from the ground up specifically for this craft.
So,
Meet Falls AI. You can think of it as the ultimate mentor's assistant. This thing can instantly search through a gigantic knowledge base of technical manuals and building codes. More importantly, it can analyze a student's photo and spot those tiny geometric mistakes that a human eye would almost certainly miss. It can even provide augmented reality overlays, literally projecting the correct bend lines right onto the piece of metal in front of you. Basically, it handles all the heavy data lifting so the human mentor can focus on teaching the craft.
So when you put it all together, what does it mean for the future of training? Because this isn't really just about roofing anymore. This could be a whole new blueprint for how we teach every single skilled trade in the 21st century. And this AI isn't being invented in a vacuum. Its brain is being built on decades of world-class, proven expertise. It's being trained on the entire knowledge base of industry giants like Ryan Zink and Prefa, plus all the official state standards and building codes. They are essentially encoding generations of master craftsmanship into a single, instantly accessible AI.
And this table just lays it all out plain and simple. The hybrid seam model, supercharged with Falls AI, just systematically attacks every single weakness of the old way. It demolishes the training time, slashes material waste, gives students instant access to a world of knowledge, allows for quality control at scale, and makes the whole system massively scalable. It's a total game changer on every metric.
Which leaves us with this final, really provocative question. We've always thought of mastery as a purely human achievement. But what if the next great craftsman isn't a person at all, but a seamless partnership between human hands and an artificial brain? What would that future look like?